2026 Oklahoma proven perennial is Baptisia. Baptisia is a native perennial that grows from central to the Midwestern states and eastward. There are over 20 species within the genus of Baptisia, and they typically range in flower colors of blue, yellow, and white. Now this plant grows about 2 to 4 foot high and wide, multiple stems. It's in the legume family, so it has the ability to fix its own nitrogen, which means it tolerates nutrient-poor soils. And it also develops taproots, so it's extremely drought tolerant. Now its native habitat is typically along the woodland edges or in open woods, but it's a great landscape plant in full sun. It will tolerate light shade, but you're gonna get a fuller plant with more flowers if you can locate it in full sun areas. Now the foliage you can see can be anywhere from a light green, yellow-green color to bright green to gray-green and blue-green, depending on the species and the cultivar that you select. As you can see, this one here, this is one of the hybrids. So the breeders have done tremendous work with this plant. They have taken the native species and done lots of hybridization. And now we have some new colors within this group of plants. So now we have lavender and light pink and a red color. Not only do we have the blue, the white, and the yellow, but now we have a little bit of everything in between. So it's a great, great plant. This particular one here is called Brownie Points. And we have this one planted on campus in our native plant corridor. You can see it has kind of amber colored flower petals that have bright yellow at the base. This plant is a great pollinator plant. The bees love it, butterflies love it, and it's also, the seed pods, or the seeds, are actually good for wildlife. Now, following the flowers, this will produce a pod, and as it matures, it will turn a dark brown to black color, and that seed pod will persist on the plant well into the winter months. When it fully matures and it's that nice dark brown, black color, it's dry, and you can hear the seeds rattle inside of it as well. So if you're looking for a really hardy, attractive perennial for your garden, you might consider Baptisia.
We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.